Hi, this is Ashlyn with Bellevue Avenue and Ashlyn Mae Photography, and I'm going to run you through an edit using the new Resplendent Collection Photoshop Actions. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use one of the all-in-one glows. And we are going to use luster in this image. This just gives it a really nice bright pop and gorgeous creamy pastel-y tones. Okay, next I'm going to go up and use the all-in-one portrait kit. This kit is great because it has the skin smoothing action in it. It has a peachy skin glow brush. It has blushing cheeks and lips. You can darken the lashes and you can sharpen the eyes as well as do any dodging burning that you'd like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and smooth the skin. So I'll make sure that the black layer mask is selected, then grab a soft white brush and have the flow and opacity at 100% and just start brushing it on. Okay, now I'm going to add a beautiful glow to the skin using the peachy glow brush. Next I'll add a bit of pink to her cheeks. I'm going to bring the flow down to maybe 8-ish and just kind of start lightly brushing it on. And zoom out and lower the opacity just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to darken her lashes and brows. I'm bringing the flow back up to 100%. Okay, before and after. Next we'll do the eye sharpening. This one's pretty strong at first, but you can adjust the opacity. And I'll sharpen the lashes too. Okay, I'm going to bring that down to probably 50% before and after. And I might darken the hair right here at the hairline a little bit with a dodge and burn. So let's use the burn tool and bring it down to about 20%. And just kind of darken it there a little bit. Okay, let's zoom out and see what that looks like before and after. So it just gives a beautiful glow and softness to the skin. Next, let's use the creamy glow action. This is fun because it gives a beautiful dreamy look to your image. So I recommend, since it gives this kind of a blurry, dreamy look to your image, to brush it off the skin area and where you have details. Some people like to keep it that way, but I like to brush it off just to keep things crisp. So I'm brushing it off right there. Okay, before and after. Next, let's use Punchy Pop just to give it a little bit of a pop. Okay, and that's a little bit too poppy for me, so let's take off the contrast. Actually, let's take off the depth before and after. So that gives it a nice little pop right there. Next, I want to have kind of a bit of a warmer look to it. So I'm going to go down to the color shifts and use the sunny hue. So that warms it up a bit. And now I want a little bit of sun coming in here. So let's go down to the sunbursts and I'm going to use Peach Smoothie. You can move this around. What I'm going to do is click Control T so that I can transform this and make it pretty large, but I'm going to move it up really high so that there's just a little bit peeking in right there. Okay? And lastly, we are going to use a few peek throughs, and this will give it a sense of depth and foreground elements to make this image look a little bit more dynamic. So since we have greens in here already and these roses, we're going to use foliage which is green, and rose, which is kind of a deeper pink. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to make these a little bit smaller and just kind of pop them out throughout here. So Control J duplicates that. So I'm just going to keep duplicating these. I'm going to go a little bit bigger up here. Bring that down just a little bit. Let's bring one over this way. Okay, now let's do a few rose peek throughs. Again, I'm going to resize these, make them a little bit smaller. I'm just playing around with these and seeing what looks best. Okay, so let's group those together. And before and after, so it gives a nice sense of depth to the image. Okay, so that's my final edit. Let's look at the before and after. Before and after. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the Resplendent collection, and make sure to check out some of the other tutorials on the collection to see what else you can do. Thank you so much!